Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Oliver, so I'm gonna show you guys my review and plus my opening of my new tattoo pen. It's a wormhole tattoo pen, and I'm gonna show you guys what it came with. First up, fake skin, yellow fake skin. It came with two sets of stencil paper. It come with two type of tattoo ink caps. One that's the grip tape, one set of gloves, and a 8-piece set of tattoo ink. Guys, I do not recommend you use this kind of tattoo ink. Go online, go back to Amazon, do your own research and get a quality kind of tattoo ink. Like this kind comes like with a lot of tattoo uh oh, that hurts. Tattoo machines and everything like that. I don't use this. I only use this on fixing and practice only. I don't use this on people. You don't want to get people injured or hurt or cause an infection. Cause I don't know what's in this ink, and I promise you, like if you use quality ink, you're gonna see the big difference. Like the color's gonna fall off. So check this out, right? This is the ink I use. It's called Hawk ink. I usually use also the Mom brand ink. I kind of ran out, so I kind of went with this, like $10 cheaper, but it also gets the job done. It's really great, and it's not much of a difference from the Mom ink. The Mom ink is a little bit better, but this is good too. This is great, and it's all natural and it's organic. The next thing it came with is this right here. This is the power supply. This is the first time I had this kind of power supply. Cause guys, I have a lot of different type of power supplies and everything like that. I can show you guys later, but I have a whole lot. And this is the first type I have. I seen them online for a couple, so I can't wait to use this and try this to see how good it is. This is the pedal it came with. Uh, I have a bigger version of this, with another tattoo pen, but I'm kind of glad this is nice and small because the ones I have, I don't really like it. It's the flat ones, and it's like, it's really aggravating when you're using it. You don't want to deal with it and everything like that. I could show you like, how the pedal looks and everything like that, and I really don't like the pedals. Like, there you go, guys. This is the kind of pedals I have. I have some that I didn't even open yet in here. And this is the old, my first pedal I ever had. And you can see the size difference, guys. Way bigger. And look at that. Look at these right here. So thin, I feel like they're going to break easy. I enjoy them. I'm getting used to them, but I kind of enjoy these. I want to hear the click. I want to hear the feeling of it. I got a whole tattoo. I got a whole tattoo set over here and everything like that. I got my sheets all over everything. Um, I got a whole lot of stuff over in here. Uh, I got ink. I got, cartridges. I got all kind of stuff over here. You know, I got freaking wires that he's gonna go into soon. And check this out, right? This is the needles I'm using right here. I'm gonna be adding those needles to the collection pretty soon. So I'm gonna take them out right now. And not last but at least, this is the smallest tattoo pen I ever had. Look how small this is. Look at my hand, bro. Look how little this is. This is really small. I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting something much bigger. See how I hold it. I gotta use a lot of grip tape for this right here, to be honest with you. A lot of grip tape. It's really, really small. But I can't wait to see how it works and everything like that. This is just the unboxing. And I'm gonna do another video show you guys how good the equipment is and everything. Already drew a nice stencil piece so I could practice on there to see how good it is. And these two face skins I bought separate. So for my coil machine, I actually I have two coils. I have a shader and a liner. So I bought a 50-piece set to see, like, because I needed different kind of sets. That's why I got the 50-piece set, so I could have different kind of sets and everything like that. So as you see here, these are different kind of needles and everything like that. Not much different, but different. I'm gonna show you guys the rest. Pull everything out because they're gonna go in their separate box and everything anyway. I'm happy I got this stuff because I needed some different stencils and everything like that. looking beautiful, or different needles looking beautiful, you know. But yeah, like, and this is the fake skin I bought. And the other day, I actually got some stencils and everything like that. I bought a 20 pack actually. This is the old thing, but I bought a 20 pack. So I have like over 30, 40 left over and everything. And this is like some of my machines, the power machines I have. I haven't used them yet, but you know, sooner that I might bust them out. But these are just like this is just reserve basically, guys. You know, and I have like a lot of reserve, like, you know, stuff in here. Like another example, this is my first machine I ever got. Right here, old school baby right here, nice and big. But like I said, this is just reserve, you feel me? Like, this is not really for, you know, putting work in and everything like that. This is just for reserve. So if I ever need it, hey, boom, it's gonna be there. And this is from my old cover. It's like one of my old tattoo pens. The last one I bought, and it came with this. So I'm gonna see if this fits. You know, got a lot of pieces in here. So I'm gonna be soon setting everything up, putting everything back in their place and everything. That's why, like, I kind of try to get this ready, because I know my equipment was coming. This is for, you see, this is for my my coil machine. You know, everything is nice and set up in here, man. As you see, boom. I got the cups. Some more freaking what's the names? Some more cartridges. Oh, here guys. Look. This is another pedal in a machine. This is the one I use most of the time, actually. So basically, guys, this is it. You feel me? I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing, how what everything came with. So for $48, $50, not bad. You feel me? Let's see how it works, though. You know, once I see how it works, then I'm gonna know if I got ripped off or my money was well spent, guys. Like I said, guys, it's Oliver, man. Thank you for you know, watching my video. Good looks for watching. I appreciate it, man. Have a good night. Subscribe and like. Thank you, guys. Much love.